What up, people? Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. Yes, ma'am. On fleek. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with a good primer and massage that in. Then we're going to go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Granite. And as you can see, I'm just going to do both brows, starting with the arches. And then I'm going to blend the center in as if I have a unibrow. Yep. Alright, and then we're going to conceal those brows. And to conceal, I just go along the bottoms, all the way along the bottom from the center of my nose out towards those arches. I always start light and go heavier when I need to, because once you put too much, it's harder to go back. So it's always easier to start out really light. Alright, and then I'm going to go for the top and basically do the same thing. So you want to keep doing this on both brows until that unibrow is just like popping. And then you want to blend out with your brush or your finger the concealer. For the eyeshadow, I just put a dark color in my crease, and then I'm going to cut the crease with a lighter color. Then I'm going to transition it with gold so it'll look like it's going from light to dark. To get that crease really defined, I used an angle brush, and then I used a smaller brush to go back in to get that real contrast between light and dark. And I went ahead and did the other eye for you guys so I could just speed up the process and you could see. Alright, now we're gonna apply foundation. This is the Maybelline Glow Pro, I think, in the shade Creamy Natural number 202. I really like it because it is very glowy and it's not too heavy on my skin. Plus, it's Walmart makeup, so it's like cheap AF. But it is great quality. And once again, we're just using our triangle sponge that we buy in bulk because we're not nasty. And we're basically going to create triangles under our face. I usually go from the outer corner of my eye to the outer corner of my lips for the size of my triangle. Then I go for the T-zone, and I don't really contour my nose, but I was trying to be extra glowy, so today I did for you guys. Next, we're just going to be setting everything that we just did with powder. This is a Kat Von D powder, and I'm basically just going over everything that I just did with my sponge, and I'm going to blend it all out with a brush. Now that we're done with that, we're going to finish our eyes with the transition shades and highlight the inner corners. Pop. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes. And then this is my favorite part. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to contour. I'm finna get beat. What? Okay. I'm kind of messing up my baby hairs. They were on fleek though. It looks a little orange at first, but we're going to take that sponge and we're going to go back and tone it down. But basically what I do is I just go along the whole perimeter of my face. And next, I just highlight all of those areas also. I highlight my cheekbones and my nose and my T-zone area. Along with a little bit more brown just to give me that contoured nose look. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. You can't really find it. I think I've found it in hair stores, and sometimes some hair stores just don't seem to have it. So once again, the eyeliner thing, I basically just do your basic eyeliner and then wing it from there. Then I'm going to add my eyelashes. I went ahead and added them for you guys. I'll eventually make a video of how I do those. But next, we're going to go to the lip liner, and I'm just outlining with brown, and I really like to get the inner corners to get that ombre look, and then I add the lighter color because it's all about contrast, honey. Now I'm just cleaning that up with an angled brush and a little bit of concealer to get it perfect. And once perfection is reached, we are done. Thank you guys for watching my video.